Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, we're gonna see how to change color theme in Visual Studio Code and how to change the font size of our window and see the fonts more bigger or more smaller, who knows. Firstly, in order to change the color theme, we have to go to Manage, which is located down left corner. I click Manage. I go to color theme. If you don't gonna go through the menu, you can use the shortcut. For Windows, it's Ctrl K and Ctrl T. You click those buttons and then the prompt window is popping up. Here we have some community material. We go up with the arrow and you can see the change instantly. We have a bunch of different color themes, you can see. We have the red, Tomorrow Night Blue, I don't know, dark, higher contrast. We have the lightest, light themes. I personally use the community material theme target. Okay, I choose that. For the second, we're gonna change the font size. We go again to our manage page. We click here, we click settings, which has the shortcut of Ctrl and plus button. And here we have our settings page. From the settings page, you can see we have the editor font size. I go back up on this. And let's say I want to change to 32. And you can see the font size changes immediately without any clicking button. It's very effective. I'm going to change to 35, for example. I have the hugest amount of font size here. It's very nice. I can see everything. Okay, people, video was like this. I hope you like it. If you like it, please click the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to support me. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, be safe. Have a nice day. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.